Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PH and Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello guys, so in this block of program you are asked to find the length of a particular string. Okay, so we will make the string already defined in a program only, and then I will check of the length of that string which we have defined in our program. Okay, so how we can do it, let's see through this code. Okay, so first of all I will specify a string over there. So now let's take char str and let's take here a string as PHN technology. Okay, now this is my string. I want to find the length of this string through this code. Okay, so now first of all let's take for loop. Okay, it will check one by one and it will give me the length, right? So here I is equal to 0 and then str of I is, if it is till it is equal to, it is not equal to the end, means /0, till it is ending, it should go on the loop, and here I should specify int I. Okay, and therefore after this for loop will help me printf length of the string is %d, and here I will print I. Okay, and here it will be written 0. Okay, like this. I can directly, what I am doing here, I have directly stated a for loop here. Okay, directly stated a for loop. So how many times the for loop should work? Till I am getting the length. Okay, means one by one it is giving me the length, means after till the time it is ending. And in the string you know that how we can find the end of this string. The moment it is getting printed as /0, the character /0 is coming, that means what, the string has ended. So one by one till the time it is ending, it is giving me the output, means 0, 1, 2, one by one it is printing. Okay, so let's run this code first. So here, see, okay, I should give a new line. Here let's specify a new line, then it will be more clear for you. Okay, now see, my final length of the string is my 30. That's what I wanted, right? My final length of the string is what, 30. That's the length of the string. So one by one, as comma I have given comma I, right? So one by one it is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So white spaces are also calculated over here, right? So 3, 4, 5 till 13. So final I can say that the length of my PHN technology, this string, is what, 13. Okay, so this is how you can find the length. What I have done, basically I have done nothing. I have only used a for loop over there, and there I have specified the end of that particular string. Okay, till the time the for loop will continue and it will get printed. Okay, so this is how you can find the length of the particular string, right? So this was your complete solution of your code. So for now, thank you and goodbye.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.